What's going on, everybody? It's Trey Neal here, and today is another day of trading the algorithm, and it goes. You'll see. I got a handful of live day trades recorded, ready to show you guys. I have traded the algorithm all day today. I skipped the gym. Hate on me, I know. But I did sit here and trade the algorithm all day today. It's 1:39 p.m. right now, so there's still a couple hours left that you guys won't see, unfortunately. But am taking every single trade that offers itself to me today. Good positive expected value trades. There's some good discussion about positive expectancy and algorithmic trading in general during the live trades, so hopefully you all enjoy that. But at the end, we'll cover the trader view statistics, go over all the trades and all that stuff as well. But for now, let's jump into the live videos, the live trades. Hit like, hit subscribe. Let's go. Okay, we are long here at 427.59. We are long the S&P on the dip. Hey, yeah. So far, continuing to dip, continuing to get dumped into a little bit here. See what happens. Wow, risky. No, it's not. Why is it not? I'm gonna be a broken record, but why is it not risky? Because this is my P&L chart of this strategy. Right? That's why this trade isn't risky. Long, but it's below the 350. No, it's not. Your 350 is calculating off pre-market, I think. You have to turn pre-market off. I don't have pre-market turned on. The 350 SMA is down here for me. If you have the pre-market turned on, your 350 will be calculating in a different place. Thank you for the follow. Who followed me? Zoldardo. Thank you for the follow, my friend. All right, we're down $25 in this trade. What, 350? Simple moving average 350? Yep. That is where my strategy is determining whether it wants to take longs or shorts. If it's above or below the 350 SMA. Once again, not using pre-market data to calculate it either. You accidentally bought the wrong stock. What? Wait, what? What'd you do? You accidentally bought the wrong ticker? Bouncy, bouncy, you are back to break even. Come on, SPY, woo! Isn't the 200 the common one? Yep. But why? This is the thing, and this is why algo trading is so nice. Why? Why is 200 common? There's no reason other than, oh, everyone uses it, I guess I should use it. Like, that's the beauty, once again, the beauty of algo trading is like you get to find actual good profitable numbers, not just, well, everyone else is using it, I guess I should. Like, you get to find actual profitable numbers, edges, moving averages, whatever it is. Like, here we go, we're green. We are looking for the high of 3 bars up to sell, so that is currently up here. That is currently up here. But it will start, once the next bar opened, it's ready to start selling. So I'm actually going to take half here. I'm taking half off here because this bar closes in 2 seconds. Yep. And now this is a sell bar. This is a sell bar since we are now 3 bars back is now this bar. So I went ahead and took half there. Well, 35 shares. We're still in 40 shares long. I will sell them at the close of this bar, just like the strat does. There you go. Strategy, bada bing, bada boom. First trade of the day, little win. I say little win, I mean, whatever, 25 bucks. Ain't gonna complain. Yep, we're using, everyone, and I know this is gonna be confusing for YouTube, but we're using, once again, we're using different parameters again today. Remember, this is our 10th day using this algorithm. It's still very young. So I'm still, at this point, I'm optimizing it daily. So today we are looking to buy the breakdown of 6 bars ago, sell the break up of 3 bars ago. I know people in the YouTube comments are confused, and I understand it because it looks like my trading is different every day. But it is different every day. I'm optimizing every day right now, right? And right now, today, with the algorithm, I found that this was the most profitable. So this is what I'm using. And once again, I did do a test, and that is what provided with that. Those numbers are what provided with this P&L graph. So anyway, we are full out. That was a $29.90 winner. So first trade of the day, we are up 30 bucks. Yep, we are long here. Long at 427.89. That's about right. I was going to say that fill took too long, but the fill's about right. Fill's about right. We are currently looking up here to sell this break. Obviously, we'll adjust. Whoa, Andy, whoa, whoa. Easy, fella, easy. How'd you end the day yesterday? You gotta watch the YouTube videos, man. They're on YouTube. No, but we lost $33 yesterday. Maybe not a sell, but put a stop at the low of the current candle. Yeah, there's a lot of different ways you could go about it. I have tried some stop loss techniques, but I haven't found one that has made the strategy better. All the techniques I've tried have made the strategy way worse. I'll try that one though. That's a good idea. Why long here under EMA 200? No, it is not. For the second trade in a row, my 350 SMA is all the way down here. We are nowhere near the 350 SMA, which is when my strategy will start looking for shorts. Getting broken down into here. Was watching your recap last night on the TV in the living room. Wife walks in and says, now you're watching that guy at night and in the morning. Always watching me. Always Trey. Trey is inevitable. The content is always forthcoming. Trading stocks is inevitable. Stream in the morning. Videos at night. Alrighty. This trade has put us right on the day so far, but once again, we are not selling until it breaks highs, so who knows where it's going to go. You're hungover? You drank enough to kill an army on a Thursday night? I guess that's fair. Thursday night is fair. Do you not work today, Marco? Damn, we're getting dumped into now. Hello? Hello, Spy? Can we not? Can we not? Who followed? Bourbon Black. Thank you for the follow. Ooh, bourbon sounds good. Maybe I should go buy some bourbon for my drunk stream this afternoon. By the way, if you're watching this on YouTube, like right when it drops, I'm live on Twitch drinking alcohol and trading stocks. Come join us. First time here, great comment, night and day. Bourbon, welcome. Welcome to the stream, my friend. I appreciate you being here. Do you have a video about your strategy? I do. Where on screen can you see if we're long or short? Right here. You can see this is where I entered. You can see this is my position. You can see this is my P&L open. This is my P&L on the day. It's all right here. Right? I am sharing the right screen, right? Yeah. Yeah, it's all right here. Damn, we're getting dumped into. Wow. Okay. Okay, fair enough. Fair enough. The best is your drunk stream. I'm going to go grab some beers with some friends. Goes into office. The drunk streams are, yeah. It does feel like hanging out with the boys, doesn't it? So right now you're long. Yep. The green bubble obviously means that I took a position long here. It also says plus 75 position long. Average down. Nah. It's not. The algorithm isn't, so I'm not. Right? The algorithm isn't, so I'm not. So this is a case. So with that stop loss idea that the guy just talked about, this is a case where the stop loss would start triggering because now I can no longer make money in this trade. Even if this candle breaks up, like this is now my, well, sorry. Now this is my stop. This is my stop out here. Like best I can do in this trade is lose a little bit of money. So this is where like potentially the stop loss idea would start coming into effect. We'll see. I'll look into it. Once again, I've never been able to find a stop loss that makes the strategy better. But that doesn't mean one doesn't exist, right? Once again, the beauty of code trading is you get to test things, right? You get to test things. Would be interesting. Yeah. Certainly. I'll look into it. I'll see if I can get it coded up tonight. Well, tomorrow probably. I'm gonna be drunk tonight, so maybe we'll look into it tomorrow. You don't stop the bleeding till it goes up? Nope. And I believe that is why the strategy is so good. I believe that's why the strategy is so good, and that's why stop losses have always made it worse. The fact that it always gets a pop on the end. Right now we're looking here for our covers. The covers were long for our sells. That is just part of the system, part of the strategy. It always waits to clear high. Right now, whatever the variable is, I change it every day. Right now, the high of 3 bars back, though. So, here. This took us to red on the day. It's okay, though. It's okay. Keep plugging away. Keep taking the positive expected value trades. The next candle comes all the way down here, so the next candle is most likely our exit candle, unless we really just break down here. Ooh, I actually don't think we broke this high. Okay, now we did for sure. Okay, sorry, I can't zoom. Oh my gosh, what am I doing? So now we are exiting the close of this candle. Wherever this candle closes, we are exiting. Because it is over the high of this. It is over the high of this, so the sell has been triggered, but it doesn't sell to the close of the bar, which is in 35 seconds. Drunk algo coding is very effective. To be fair, maybe it is. We can try. We can try. 20 seconds. We are out of this trade. You see? I mean, we were down what? We were down like, I think we were down like 70 on the day. Well, maybe not that much. We were down like 60 on the day down here. Instead, we're going to get out down around 30. Getting this little, oh, come on. That pissed me off. I hit flatten here. SPY ripped down, and then I got filled. Whatever. I just lost an extra 25 cents. Long here, long after knife? Yes. Long here, long after knife? Yes. Oh my god, Trey, you shouldn't buy here. No. And this is why algorithms are better than humans. Oh my god, Trey. I mean, not to say I won't lose money in this trade. I easily could lose money in this trade, but we are long the S&P at 426. Just about on the dot. Once again, oh my god, Trey, you're longing after a spike. You don't get this P&L curve without taking the trades, without taking every trade. Right? It's kind of how it works. It's kind of how mechanical edges work. I exited the close of the dump candle? Ew. What, your strategy did? Exited the close of this candle? Why was it holding? Why? Well, first off, why was it exiting at lows? Does the algo long with you too? Yeah, what do you mean? This is the screen that I'm looking at on my other monitor. The algo just took this trade here too. Just entered this trade here. This is obviously my trades. This is the strategy's algorithm trades. These are just a strategy. These aren't obviously real trades. These are my real trades. But yeah, strategy took this here too, of course. Breaking down, woo! Now this is when everybody who goes, oh, I told you not to buy after the knife. I told you. Oh my god, Trey. Red trade, Trey. It opened above the high of 4 candles ago. Oh, I got you. Your strategy is set to 4 candles ago. So it got exit on that candle, but it closed all the way at the bottom. I got you. Yeah. I got you. That sucks. That sucks. But it's going to happen. Once again, have you done your back testing? Have you developed a chart that looks like this with your strategy? Look at them. We get caught in bad trades, bad drawdowns. The max drawdown is $672. But it's also made over $4 grand this month. What trade? You took a red trade. That's gotta be bad, right? Red trade bad. 0 miles to empty. Thanks for the follow. Appreciate ya. Lot of new Twitch followers this morning. What's up, everybody? Over 5,000 followers here on the Twitch. Insane. Appreciate the support. Thank you all very much for being here. Over 200 viewers. Howdy, howdy. Make a new account called Red Treyding. Will that get more viewers? At least my YouTube video gets to be titled, like, Awful Day of Trading or something. There's always a positive lining, Chad. If I get crushed in a trade, at least I get a good clickbaity YouTube title. I'm just joking. I'm just fucking with you. Oh, excuse me. I thought you said I was making over 9K in a month. That was with the estimated exits. That was when the strategy was estimating its exits. This is literally not putting any... This graph is not putting... By the way, we are exiting this candle in 30 seconds. This graph is not putting any human interference. This is only buying and selling at close of bars. Zero human interference. Zero estimating where a human would sell. Like, that is literally... A computer could literally do that. Like, you know what I mean? The other one had some, like, built-in, like, average exits that a human would take, kind of ideologies. Ideologies? It's not a religion, Trey. All right, we are out here. I think we lost 50 cents in that trade. I believe that was the P&L when we closed. Ooh, it's very close to breaking up. Nope, it didn't. We are long here. Just taking the trades exactly as the algo does. We are long here. Because it broke the low of this candle, we are long here. Jesus, immediately dumped into again. One of those days, I guess, huh? One of those days. Ooh. You and the algo very similar now? Yeah. My algo told me to short 15 minutes ago, but now nothing. Nice. What are you using for your short condition? Tricky trader today? It's not tricky. It's not a tricky trader today. It's just the algorithm. It's just a losing day. Well, so far. It's also only 10 o'clock in the 10:09. It's right now a losing morning for the algorithm, right? It's not tricky. Just doing what the algorithm does. I'm not gonna show it again. I will show it again. Doing what gives me this. Right? We are down over $100 on the day. Ooh. Fancy. Ugh. Smile back. Are you taking only long trades or do you choose? Once again, I think I've said this in every trade so far, but I keep getting asked the question. Once the strategy breaks this EMA, it will start shorting. The algo automatically starts looking for shorts. I have the code for both long and short in the same strategy, and it flips to which one it's triggering based off of this line. So yes, while we're above this line, it is looking for shorts. If it breaks this down, it'll start looking for... While it's above this line, it's looking for longs. If it breaks it down, it will start looking for shorts. Okay. Time to put more beer in the fridge. Hey, if we're way down when I go back live this afternoon, maybe the drunk stream will be more fun, huh? There's always a silver lining, Chad. I'll be more likely to drink maybe this afternoon, huh? Why exactly that line? Because I have changed the variable around on the simple moving average multiple times and found that 320 simple moving average is the most profitable. 350, sorry, is the most profitable. It's a variable that I change. I change and test and optimize. And I have found in my back testing that that line is the most profitable. By the way, bouncing back. Strategy is still looking high up here, though. Strategy is still looking up here. Strategy is actually still looking for profit in this, reaching for profit. We're reaching. It's reaching. Yep, we're now looking at the high of this candle. Before we were looking at the high of this candle. So we're still looking up here. Still looking for this to break before we exit. Wouldn't be surprised to see SPY roll back over here, honestly, just from a human perspective, the way it's rolling. But you can't put human perspective into your algorithm's trades. It's not how it works. This just does look like it wants to roll back over, right? After my terrible Husa, I started taking one trade a day, and oh my, is it working? Yesterday 5%, today 2.5%. Yeah. There's plenty of, there's plenty of strategies and plenty of day traders that hardly ever trade and still make a ton of money. I mean, they might take 1 or 2 trades a month, still make a ton of money. Okay, we are now exiting the close of this candle. So no matter what, we will be out of this trade on this candle. I will wait till the close, though, because that is when the strat exits. Since we broke this high, 3 bars back, once again, the 3 bars back is always updating with the current bar. So now that we're over this, we are exiting in 35 seconds. Why is it always 35 seconds? I feel like it's always 35 seconds when I say the time. I guess that's how it always takes me 25 seconds to explain, I guess. Wow, we're almost green in this trade. Imagine we make money in this trade. Could you imagine the absolute scenes? Wow, we were green for a second. No way we're going to make money in this trade. 10 seconds, the bar closes. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Damn, it's unfortunately dropping down a little bit again, yeah. Sell! Jesus, why does the sell take so long? I think we lost like $7 in the trade. I like to press the buy sell. Oh shit. We just longed here. Why did we long? I didn't even notice. We like barely broke the low. This candle barely broke low. Okay, we are long again. S&P 425.41. Scroll it so the orders get in there, Trey. There you go. Okie dokie. We are looking. We're only looking up here this time. We're not looking huge for this trade. It's not looking for huge. 30 seconds left in this bar. Too early to long. How is it still every trade I take, somebody disagrees with it? I don't get it. Are you guys like not understanding the point? I don't know. I don't know how else to explain it. I've shown you the P&L graph, I think 100 times in this one video. I'm not going to do it again, but you don't get to disagree with trades. You don't get to. You trade the algorithm. You know, oh, it's too early to long. Oh, Trey, you shouldn't long this. Trey, you shouldn't do that. You shouldn't. Like, yes, I fucking should. What do you mean? Yes, I fucking should. I said I wasn't going to show it again, but I did. Sorry. We are selling the close of this bar. Hopefully it holds up for us here. Gives us a win. We are up $20 right now, but it's not going to sell until close, so I'm not going to sell until close. Hold up. Come on now, SPY. Come on now, friend. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Really? Really? Okay. Okay. I see you. I'm out. Sell. Jeez Louise. I think we made $7 in that trade. $7. It's unfortunate. We were up 30 at peak. But do as the algorithm does. Made a little bit there. If they know better than the algo, don't you know? I mean, code your own algorithm. The point of this isn't for you to take my algorithm and trade it. You don't like it? That's perfectly okay. I just want to teach you guys the idea and the importance and the edge in having an algorithm, having a real mechanical strategy. I don't care. I don't even want you to necessarily just copy mine. That's not the point, right? Here we go. We are long here. Long at 425.07. So is the candle related to, so is the algo kind of related to candle over candle? It's actually almost exactly the opposite of the candle over candle strategy. The candle over candle strategy would have bought this candle, right? Candle over candle would have bought this candle. It's like I'm like selling into that, right? And I'm buying the candle under candle breakdowns that they would be shorting, right? This strategy actually almost exactly opposites the candle over candle strategy. And once again, that doesn't invalidate the candle over candle strategy. The candle over candle strategy is just super scalpy. You're supposed to get in outs like very quick with that strategy. Like on this kind of time frame, that strategy like obviously wouldn't be working. The exit is candle over candle. Yeah, the exit is candle over candle. The candle over candle strategy though is longing. Like this is where candle over candle wants to long, right? Oh, it's breaking candle over candle. I'm gonna long here. Right. The end of this song that's on right now. Let's change it. Thanks for helping us learn algos. Really appreciate it. Yeah, I mean, I wish I had this information 6 years ago. I wish I had this information 6 years ago for sure. I've been a small profitable / break-even trader for a couple of years now, and this is obviously already helping me so much. And I've only been doing this for 10 days. We are 10 days into algorithms as well, and it's already helped our trading so much. Glad I can help. That's what I'm here for. It is not looking to sell this bounce yet because 3 candles back is up here. It might be thinking about breaking this high. If it breaks this high right here, it'll sell. It's close. It's close. Ah. 30 seconds left in this bar. It's close. It's not there yet, but it's close. Even if it doesn't break this high, there's a good chance the next candle is the exit candle because we're going to be over this bar. Maybe. 15 seconds. It's closely close. It's close. You pop that? You pop that here? Nah, it doesn't look like it. So we're not out this candle. We're also no longer above this high, so we're not currently exiting this candle either. The opposite, yet both are profitable. Yeah, it's all about time frame too. It's all about time frame. That candle over candle strat is super scalp. You long and you sell inside of like 30 seconds. You sell inside of like 30 seconds. Time frame is extremely important in your strategies, obviously. Diom, we were up like 20 bucks again and now down. Oh well, didn't sell. The algo seems to really help me with patience and accepting losses. Yep. Because you get to see... Okay, we are now exiting this candle, by the way. It did just come break this high. Exiting this candle... Oh, actually, right now. We are out. Ooh, that did end up being a $24 winner. Nice. But I promise you I'm not going to show the graph again. But you get to see... You get to see the big picture, right? You get to see, hey, this strategy is profitable. When you see that big picture, when you do the back testing so you can see that big picture, you stop giving a shit about individual trades, right? When you can't see that big picture, when you can't see how profitable it is over 12 months, every losing trade becomes a worry for you because you're like, oh no, is this strategy working? Is it not working? You don't know, right? But when you know it's a profitable strategy, then you don't care, right? You stop caring. Oh, I lost money in this trade. It's okay. I know I should have taken the trade. I know the strategy works. Oh, wait. Is Biden speaking? Oh, wait. Did Biden start talking? That makes this trade a little bit scarier. But Biden's been talking a lot over the last 30 days, and the strategy is still profitable, so still supposed to take it. But that does make this trade maybe a little bit scarier if he just started talking. No, he's late. Oh, but he's scheduled to be talking right now. You might see some extra volatility in this trade. Might see some extra volatility in this trade. But once again, he's been talking, giving speeches over the last 30 days, and this time I'm really not showing the chart. We saw what the chart looked like, so still supposed to take the trade. Yeah, dude, the first big speech, like when the Russia invasion started, his like first speech about it, he was 45 minutes late to the panel. How? You're the strongest man in the world, or most powerful man in the world. Russia is invading Ukraine. You're supposed to talk about potential World War III, and you're 45 minutes late. He's on right now. Okay, is he starting to talk right now? We'll have to see. We'll have to see how the markets react. Will jointly announce actions against Russia on Friday. That's today. What do you mean? I can hear news being read to me in the background too. What does that mean? Does that mean he's about to announce what actions they're going to take? What's Biden saying? I don't know. I don't have them pulled up. I hardly ever, next to never watch those speeches. Maybe I should, especially when I'm in a trade, but yeah, it's a little scary. This trade is a little scary, being in a trade while Biden's speaking, but algo's in, I'm in. What? That is the most random reason I think anyone could have come up with, real. He's on his Switch about the hatch a Charizard. I think if I tried to put together a combination of 5 words to be more random than that, I don't think I could. Alright, so we're currently looking all the way up here. We are currently looking all the way up here. But next bar, obviously, next bar, we come to start looking here. We start looking here for profit take. Probably won't be exiting until at least the next bar, because I don't see us spiking up here on this one. Well, with Biden speaking, anything can happen. If he says something the market's like, we could bang. If he doesn't, we could bang. That's the scary part about being in a trade right now. The Syrid, thanks for the follow, appreciate you. Okay, this bar closes in 2-1. Next bar open, and we are looking here. Here. Didn't quite get over there. If you see me looking this way, it's because that's me looking at the actual. I have 3 monitors. My third monitor has this on it. So whenever I'm looking that way, this is what I'm looking at. All right, we will be selling this candle. It broke the high. Unfortunately, this screen doesn't have a chart. 30 seconds. 30 seconds, we are selling this bar. As you can see, the algorithm is up 18 bucks. We're up 4. We're green now. We're a little behind the algo because of that, largely because of that one bad fill. That was like a $20 slip in that fill. It was really bad, but 7 seconds, we are closing. We are exiting. 4, 3, 2. I'm just gonna go ahead and hit it now because I know TOS delays. There you go. That actually is a good strat. Whoever told me that, thank you. To go ahead and hit the button at 58 seconds because that's about when it closes. Woo! Last recorded trade and we're green on the day. This won't be the last trade I take today. If you're watching the YouTube video, I'm about to cut right now to the other trades. Alrighty, so those were the live day trades that you got to see. Now, I did say during the intro that I was trading this strategy all day, and I did trade the strategy all day. During that live recap, you got to see me get just back to green, just a little bit back to green after the kind of rough start. I will show you now what the algorithm has done for the rest of the day, And as you can see, we are back down $116. Unfortunately, it's just been one of those days for the algorithm. You can see I've actually got back to outperforming the algorithm, which is really what you shoot for. Remember, the algorithm is giving you this chart. I'm showing it to you again, I know. But the algorithm is giving you this chart. If you're tracking along with this, you're doing just fine. So the trades today, this is one of those days for the algorithm. We are down $116. It's right now, it's 2:35. So there's roughly an hour and a half left of market open. I am going to continue trading it for the next hour and a half, but I do need to get this video up, and I do have a live stream I need to get to for the last hour. So on Monday, we can quickly cover how the rest of today went. But as of now, we are down $116. Let me plug these trades into Trader View real quick, and we'll jump over to that. Alrighty, jumping right back into the Trader View here so we can forward test the strategy, right? It's important to journal your trades and to be forward testing where you're going as well. That can be just as important as back testing. So let's go ahead and look. It is the 10th day of using the algorithm. The last 2 days have been our first red days. Unfortunately, today was actually our largest P&L change. But this is the first day that we've traded the algo all day. Unfortunately, it's just a red day for the algo. It happens. I told you this was going to happen. It's no big deal. But you can see P&L graph over the last 10 days. We are still up $277. Obviously pulling back from 427 at peak, but that is a-okay. Flip to the detailed. We're still on a 69.9 percentage win rate. Average winner 19, average loser 38. It's starting to tighten up a little bit, and that will continue to tighten up. It should, according to the statistics. As long as I keep trading the algorithm the way it's supposed to be traded, that will continue to tighten up a little bit. Average daily gain loss, $27 is what we expect to make when we log in each day currently. Once again, only 10 days in. These statistics don't mean a whole heck of a lot yet. These will continue to get more and more interesting the more and more videos like this we make, and we will continue making them. But there is the statistics for now. We'll go back to the P&L over the last 10 days to end it. Still doing good. Still keeping it along strong, and who knows, there's still an hour and 20 minutes left of today. Maybe today will end up getting a little bit better. Maybe it gets a little bit worse. Whatever. But we are going to trade for the next hour and 20 minutes too. Oh, I did tell you yesterday that I would show you the P&L from yesterday to today, since I had it loaded. Look at yesterday. If you watched yesterday's video, if you haven't, spoilers, I guess, but go watch it because yesterday was an absolute roller coaster. Just look at the intraday P&L on yesterday. Insane stuff. But yeah, that is going to be the video for the day. That's our algorithmic trading for the day. You obviously got to see the statistics as always in the forward testing. Hopefully you're enjoying this stuff. Hopefully you're learning a lot of information about these conversations around having mechanical strategies and how that can help your edge. This back testing gives you faith in your mechanical strategy, how that can make you a better trader. Hopefully you guys are learning a lot from this. I am along the way as well, learning a ton from this. I wish I had this information way earlier in my trading career, but now I have the opportunity to give it to you guys, and that is pretty awesome. So once again, hopefully you're enjoying. If you are, hit the like button. If you haven't already, hit the red subscribe button. We're pushing towards 1,000 subs on this channel already, which is amazing. Thanks for the quick growth here. With that being said, I'm going to go ahead and sign out of this video. I will catch you all in the next one.